Air conditioner filter changing, how often should you do it? There are several things you need to do if you want to extend the lifespan of your air conditioner and make sure it works at its best. The first and most important thing for you to do is to change your air conditioner or furnace filter once every 3 to 6 months. The interval of filter changes will depend on several points such as the type of your home. Don't postpone filter changes for too long, as this will only reduce the effectiveness of your machine, and increase operating expenses. Again, frequent filter changes would be a huge waste of money. Remember, if your air conditioner has an efficient filter, you will need to clean and replace it further. Most people find pleated filters sufficient for them. Their efficiency ranges from 10 to 60%, although some companies say their filters are even more efficient. Pleated filters need to be replaced once every 3 to 6 months. If the dust level is high in your area, you should replace it within 3 months. If you want a filter with maximum efficiency, choose an electrostatic, electronic, or HEPA filter. These filters are more effective, and therefore you will have to change them frequently. Electrostatic filters probably have the best mix of efficiency and value. You will initially pay about 2 to 6 times more than a regular throwaway filter, but eventually, it will be more cost-effective as these filters can be simply washed, cleaned, and recycled. Electronic filters may be dirty, but they do not obstruct airflow. When they get dirty, they lose their ability to remove dust from the air and stop working properly. You will then need to clean and dry the electronic cells by soaking them in HVAC cleaner solutions. If you are looking for the most efficient filter, HEPA filters are what you want. But the problem is that these filters get clogged too fast, can obstruct airflow, and become unusable if clogged too much. So you have to check them every month. You can ask your conditioner contractor if your machine needs this type of filter. Your hardware store can provide you with a more affordable panel filter for $10 for a pack of 4. But these filters rank lowest compared to others. So using these won't really be doing much good for you or your machine. Instead, dirt will build upon your air conditioner's evaporator coils, and you'll need to clean the coils every year. These filters are actually so inferior in their performance that you shouldn't be surprised if, even a year after installing it in your conditioner, you find that it's not dirty enough yet to be replaced. If you are facing any issue with your air conditioner, then call us or email us. Please subscribe to our channel for more air conditioner related videos. Visit our website www.cityservicehub.com for more details. The website link is given in the video description. Thanks for watching.